sir. Yes, sir. Na na na. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Baby Juju in the car. We go to Dubai at home. Oh, I'm really lying here with you, baby. You take me wrong, and though I'm wide awake, I know my dreams coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again, just one chance and then it happens every time. And as I go, I just fall in love again when I do. I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. I was going you cleared my mind, I sold my soul, you bought it for me and held me up and gave me dignity, somehow you needed me, you gave me a strength to stand alone again, to face the world out of my own again, you put me high above the pedestal, so high that I can almost eternity, you needed me, you needed me. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But babe, is this all it ever could be? I've loved you ever since you were a friend of mine. But babe, this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I've never known, you show me love you've never shown. Then again, then you're right, and always at your side. You tell me about the love you have, listen very carefully. But deep inside you'll never stay. This feeling of emptiness makes me feel sad. But then now again, I'm glad. Knowing you all my life, you are a friend of mine. No, this is how it's gonna be. I love you, live and love you, stay. You're a friend of mine. Know that friends are all we ever could be. You tell me things I never knew. You tell me love you never show. But then again, when you cry, you're always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, at least very eagerly. But deep inside, you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel love. But then again, but then again, I'm glad. Oh, yan na, mag-picture na tayo din. Sabi mo, picture ka, Eden. Picture tayo.
Agad naman ako.
Ayusin mo, ilugay mo buhok mo. Send ko kay Eden to. Yan, dito na kami sa Carrefour Arabian Ranches. Souk. Arabian Ranches. Shoutout naman dyan, Eden. Ang ganda ng Arabian souk nila dito. The Arabian, Ranches souk pala yan, hindi Arabian eh. Pero Ranches oh.
Ranches to.
Isang Ilocana at isang Ilongga. Ang ganda ng ano nyo, yan oh. Mosque. The Ranches souk. 2 years ago. Ay, celebrate kami ng Eid Mubarak. Yan yung Ilocana at Ilonggang kasama. Kakain daw kami sa Macdo. Si Eden, libre ka ako, libre ko si Eden. Tapos ikaw ilulun yung sarili mo. Let's go! Ako gusto ko kanin. Sa kanya, libre ng burger. Kaya libre ng burger.
Hindi na kami mag-inom kay balaan mo. Wala kami katulog siya.
Taas mo na.
Ano pa?
Yan sa kanya, oh. 7.
Sige, talaga rin sa trip.
Di ba wala namang to? Di ba wala namang to? Sabi mo.
Dapat may soft drink, dapat may milk.
Yan naman sa mail. Yan.
Ayun ang milk.
Menu naman yung menu.
Anong gusto mo ba?
Ayoko niya.
Ayan, may milk siya. Oh. Gusto mo?
Sabi ko, rice. That's it, guys. Bye-bye.
Bahaw tayo yung ano nyo.
Ang model ng Ranches Souk. Model. Here. Ilocana. Filipina. Yan. Nagmakdo na po kami dito sa Ranches. Dahil Eid Mubarak, na-celebrate ko yun. Kailangan na... Ito ka na. Nandito na kami sa Katrina na Eden.
Lalaban ako.